Hello friends, today we have great opportunity to introduce 16 tons MC Klodsky I-54 and I-44 ceramic hammers. You can see, first, you can see this side view about MC Klodsky I-54 models. First, you can see this one with green color. Green, it means we use the X-Wing material ceramic type. And then, second one is, you can see this fitting surface to make the precise machining so that the hammer can fit into rotor very precisely. And the third one is, you can see here, we make precise thread inside of the rotating hole so that when you use the bolt to make transport, then it will be very precisely and safety for your operators. And the key point is, all our ceramic insert technology, it belongs to our Echo Machinery master ceramic technology. And then we use the third generation to make sure our ceramic material lifespan is more than 2.5 times the original master city without ceramic. Let's take the details view about the top surface of MC Klodsky I-54. First, you can see this fitting surface. We make very precise machining, and all the key is very round, and also it is very great profile to fit into the rotors, and all the working edge is very straight, and make sure it's very precisely when we crush the raw materials inside the cavity.